Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add vidIQ extension to YouTube. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now whenever I am watching any YouTube video, I am being able to see the views, overview, AI coach, engagement, etc. I am being able to see the overall analytics of this particular video. So if you also want to do that, you might want to add the extension vidIQ. So for that, what you have to do is first of all launch open any browser of your choice. The best browser would be the Google Chrome. So what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. After doing that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for extensions and hover over it. Now you'll be able to find two options: manage extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Simply click on this option, visit Chrome Web Store. Now you'll be led to the Chrome Web Store, or instead of doing all that, you can also click on the search bar and type in chromewebstore.google.com. After that, you'll be led to the Chrome Web Store. Now over here, you'll be able to search for extensions and themes. Click on this search bar. Now what you have to do is type in vidIQ and press enter. Now you'll be able to see several results over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for vidIQ Vision for YouTube. Click on it. Now after you do that, over here you'll be able to find the option for add to Chrome. All you have to do is click on it. I've already added it. Once you add it, you'll be able to access it by simply clicking on the extension icon that you can see right over here. You can see over here vidIQ Vision for YouTube has been installed. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to create the account for yourself. Simply create the account using your Google account, and after that it will be added. Now once you do that, you can simply open the YouTube and you'll also be able to see the vidIQ Vision over here. So like this, you'll be able to add the vidIQ extension to YouTube. So that is how you add vidIQ extension to YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.